Hello, you precious people of RevivalTime Assembly. We trust that you are keeping in good health and continuing to trust the Lord. We do have some special announcements with regard to our services. In compliance with the government's directions and our local fellowship's directive, we will not be conducting services during the week and on Sundays for the time being. You will be informed when there is change. There must be no gathering of 10 or more people. Please comply and do the hygienic things that were stated. Also, endeavor to obey the distancing instructions which were given out. Make every effort to join in the prayer and fast event from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday through the 29th of March. Remember our seniors and call them often. The office will be closed to the public. In case of emergencies, you are free to call us at the following numbers: 657-4676, that's Pastor Hart, or 652-4527, Pastor James. Those numbers again, 657-4676, Pastor Hart, or 652-4527, Pastor James. God bless you richly.